Take a look at this pump. Did we call it or what? The day traders, those of you who watched my video yesterday and came in exactly at those prices where I was showing on the support from the day before, man, those were some of the best prices you could have entered today. Before we get started though, but I want to let you guys know that every comment you guys leave, and if you subscribe and if you have any questions, you can message me on there. I will reply to every comment and I will work one on one with any of you guys that needs help in the market. Um, but for the federal fund rate, they decided to not increase interest rates today, and that just sent the market. A lot of stocks went flying today. Bitcoin, everything pretty much went up. Tesla didn't do too well, but Robinhood, even after hours, look at that. It's already up 2% after hours after we had like a pretty big day already. Yeah, you could see this pump in the morning that we had and then another pump following. But for tomorrow, the only thing we have is unemployment claims, I believe. Yeah, unemployment claims at 8:30. That's something to watch out for. That might send the market down a little bit. I'm not sure where that's going to go, but that's not as significant of a like event that like what happened today. Um Pretty much what happened today was, if we take a look, this is exactly what happened yesterday. And what I said was this was a fake out because I've seen this time and time again on the 4 hour time frame. Whenever we start breaking, whenever we had a big sell off like this and we broke the EMA line, most of the time it comes, not every time, but most of the time it comes with a fake out where it re-breaks the EMA because a lot of people will think we're going to continue to fall. And if you do not see that selling pressure come in, like we did yesterday, it did not break the low of the previous day and the day just closed like that. Most of the time, that almost confirms that it's a fake out. And that's exactly what we saw today. We saw that pump come in and it pumped a lot, even broke the resistance there. And towards the end of the day, we didn't actually even sell off. So I was surprised because that kind of indicates that we're going to see another pump tomorrow. Now, I would be very careful here because we were already up, let's see, like 7% the day before. We were up another like, yeah, 7, 8% or whatever today. Plus, we're already up 2% in the aftermarket hours. This is where you kind of want to be careful. If you take a look on, let's see, 1 hour time frame, we've broken through the moving average again. And let's go ahead and set our resistances for tomorrow. But yeah, if you take a look, when the market opened, it started coming down, and then these were some good buy points because we were already so close to to support levels. And um, what I usually do is I move these. These are the new support and resistances for tomorrow. This is tomorrow's day, and as you can see, we're already pretty much right at that resistance. And even if we end up breaking, this is going to pretty much start being the overbought zone. And yeah, we got a lot we can keep going up on, but when we have two significant days of 7% pumps, 8% pumps, and then after market we're up another 2%, that doesn't mean we have to retrace and go down. Yeah, we can keep going up all the way up to the moving average, but do you really want to buy at these overbought levels? Do you really want to risk, money when we've already pretty much seen a good pump? Now, I still think this is gonna, 2x in value, the whole thing, all the way up to $66, but that's not going to be one big pump all the way up there. That's going to be a gradual event, maybe within a few months, maybe not sure exactly, but hopefully by next earnings. But like this is going to be an event, it's going to be doing more of this. So you see a dump here, then a pump, and then a dump, another pump. What do you think is going to happen next? We might pump a little bit, but then you're going to see a significant sell off. Now, the goal is when we do see the sell off, if we can hold there, that's when that can pretty much confirms that we might see another pump all the way up. And so the plan for tomorrow, pretty much, I would be very, very careful buying in. It might not even be a bad idea to sit out because we broke the resistance. We're trading high after market hours. We're already pumping another 2%, as you can see here. And who knows, after, if you buy now overnight, well, okay, like you might pump a little bit, but do you want to take that like fall all the way back down to these levels? It good buy point would be if we sell tomorrow. If you do see a dump, it would be roughly at about $40, 40, 50. Those would be some good buy points, like around there. 40, 50, 40, 60, anywhere around there. Now, sell points would be pretty much right about now. Unless we see a big pump overnight, then that would be the new resistance. But this is kind of where you kind of want to take some profits. We can continue to go up, and if you want to hold, that's all power to you. Um, Long-term traders, this doesn't apply. This is more for like day traders. But this is the zone I'd be really starting to be careful around. All right, guys, I'll update you. Make sure you subscribe. I'll keep an update on this stock every single day until we pump or until some new stocks find opportunity. But as of right now, I'm going to be updating this stock every single day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with the next update.